Why, hello there. If you're a person who packs light, is always on the go, loves socializing and meeting people, and just overall enjoys an action-packed holiday, where would you stay? Find out in this video. Welcome to lyf Sukhumvit 8 Bangkok, the modern co-living space that is the perfect fit for millennial-minded travelers and digital nomads. lyf Sukhumvit 8 Bangkok offers something totally different than your traditional experience at a hotel or serviced apartments. In this video, we will show you what makes lyf Sukhumvit 8 Bangkok the ideal choice for your stay in the big city. Located in the bustling Sukhumvit neighborhood, lyf Sukhumvit 8 Bangkok is at the center of it all. The property is surrounded by shopping and dining options, as well as being only a minute away from the BTS Nana SkyTrain station, making it easy to explore Bangkok and beyond. Whether you're here for business or leisure, you'll find everything you need right outside your doorstep. It is conveniently located near shopping malls and lifestyle hubs such as Terminal 21, Central World, and Emporium and M Quartier, which make you feel like you're only a few minutes away from all the action. You'll find comfortable and stylish accommodation, a room that fits your need to rest, but focuses more on an adventurous and action-packed life you want to live. Lounge? And when you're not out exploring the city, take advantage of the many amenities on site, like the affordable wash and hang laundrette and play area, the greenery rooftop, the social kitchen, and of course, the communal lounge. This one-of-a-kind co-living space at lyf Sukhumvit 8 Bangkok is the perfect way for you to spend your time in the big city.